What I loved about the College of Business and the University of Akron is that it felt like I had the resources of a large university, but on a smaller campus. So I had the resources, but I was able to make those one-on-one relationships with my professors, with the people in my classes, and I felt like I had the tools that I needed to succeed.
I'd say most of my professional career so far has been springboarded directly from my time in the College of Business at Akron.
Skills aren't everything for us, but it does help, and we're seeing a lot of that talent early on from the students at the College of Business.
The Summer Leadership Academy is a pre-college program here in the College of Business for incoming students into the university. So by joining the Summer Leadership Academy, a student can expect to take a 5-week class just as though they are already a University of Akron student, because realistically they are.
I feel like it gave us a community before actually starting college. So we already have the network of not only the students, not only the staff, not only different companies to potentially intern with. That's how it has impacted me. Like, being in this program has impacted me because it gave me different relationships to build with.
We have a saying on the wall, you set goals and we help you achieve them. And that's exactly what the Fisher Institute has done for me.
The end result is literally every student that leaves here is going to get not 1, not 2, but often 3 to 5 job offers. And the beauty is that allows them to select the right company with the right fit.
The Institute for Leadership Advancement is a place where students can come and learn how to be a great leader. Everyone thinks they know how to be a leader. The Institute for Leadership Advancement is where students can come and learn not only about themselves, but how to be great leaders for others.
Whatever a student's passion is, whether it's being an artist and finding a way to monetize that and turn that into a career, we want to help those students explore how they can build a new venture.
Having a place like the Suarez Institute definitely opened me up to different opportunities that were not available to me beforehand. Now I have maybe a better idea of what other careers and opportunities are out there that I could pursue.
What are we going to do to help them with that? What connections do I have that can then ultimately lead to a connection for a student? And that's in Northeast Ohio, across the country, heck, across the globe. We can help students connect with marketing professionals and really help open those doors that for them would be very difficult for them to open by themselves.
People want to help, and they want to push you, and they want to help you succeed. So I would say ask for it, look for it. They're always there. Even the students, they don't mind stopping and helping you, unless they're late to class. Don't stop them if they are.
The University of Akron is just an awesome pipeline for our candidacy. It's in our backyard. Students know who we are. We have been on campus many times over many years, and so the relationship is very strong.
The University of Akron wants to see their students as well as alumni shine, and it's hard to get that from a lot of places. They put you and your personal branding first, because they know once you go out into the career field, you're going to pay that right back.
Also, the fact that the master's program at Akron is an accredited program. Having an accredited school on my resume was really important to make sure that my degree had weight to it.
A lot of the things that I learned from the University of Akron definitely play a part in my business on an everyday basis. And so, I pride myself in being able to say, that I'm an Akron Zip.